welcome back to Lunchbox Food. Today we're actually not gonna cook anything, though we're gonna bake. We're gonna bake some chocolate balls and let's get to it. So we're gonna need some butter. We're gonna need 270 grams or around 9.5 ounces. Close enough. I'm going to put the butter in the microwave for around 1 minute to get it to start melting at least. And there we have the butter off to the microwave. So let's get the oats, and it has to be 250 grams, around 8.8 ounces. And cocoa has to be 38 grams, around 1.3 ounces. And that's 38 grams. Vanilla sugar, 20 grams, 0.7 ounces. That's 20 grams, and you just say vanilla sugar is good. And there we go. That's nearly accurate measurement. And we're gonna need 250 grams of sugar. That's 8.8 ounces too. Like that. That's how it looks now. With the butter. And you just mix it around with your hands. And this is how it's going to look before you roll it to balls. So let's get to rolling the chocolate balls. So I'm going to roll them first and then roll them into powdered sugar or pearl sugar or whatever it's called in English. So I'm going to make them to small balls like this and roll them in the sugar. going to put this in the refrigerator for like 10 minutes because it's too hard to bake it into balls. What I usually always do with all my lunch boxes and everything I cook, it's gonna go in the freezer at least, is to write down what it is. And which date it is today. And it's 17th of May 22. And then I can put it in the freezer. And that's everything from me today. This has been Lunchbox Food. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.